Hi, welcome back to my channel to watch this video. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland. As you can see, I have my front door open and you can see the sunlight coming in. So I'm going to quickly film this video. Today I am going to participate in the Single Seed Challenge of 2021 created by Scott, head of Black Gumbo. I will list his video down below. And what you do is just pick one seed of your choice, and we're going to follow its progression of life from the time that you plant it, harvest it if it gives you flowers or fruit, and to its eventual death at the end of the growing season. I am in Southern California, here in Zone 10A/B. Last year I was Zone 10B, and then when I checked again this year, it said I was in Zone 10A. So yeah, so basically Zone 10, Southern California. I live here in the San Gabriel Valleys, and we have really hot, sometimes humid weather in the summertime, and like later today we're expecting some rain, so that's going to be good because we really need it down here. But my seed of choice is going to be Berry's Crazy Cherry. It's a cherry tomato. I've never grown this before, and I think all I need is one plant. If I'm lucky enough to be able to get this seed to grow and fruit, yeah, this is all I'm going to need. I decided to try and sprout it in this plastic cup, which I already written its name, and I have it double cupped right now just because the mix is wet and I don't want the water going onto the floor. I am using Miracle-Gro seed sardine potting mix. I went ahead and put the seeds, can you see that? Let's see, like that, ta-da, onto a tray. And actually I think I will pick this guy as my seed. So let's see if I can get him over here. Let's scoot these guys over. Okay, so there, right there, is going to be the seed that I'm going to plant. And I'm going to put this in the sun so you can see it, and I'm going to drop them right there. Can you see that? That little white thing right there. Let's push him down a little bit. I do have seed trays and like the plastic dome. I'm going to have it under lights in that dome. I plan to set that up as soon as I get this video uploaded, partially because I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in this house, and I need to find it. But as soon as I find it, I'm going to set him up in there, and then track his progress. We do have a mosquito problem here in the summertime with the Asian tiger mosquito. So that guy, I'm like a buffet to those mosquitoes. So I'm hoping to be out there more this summer because of the seed and other things that I want to plant this year. I always have good intentions in wanting to start the garden, and then the heat and the mosquitoes kind of knock me out, and I don't want to go outside anymore. But hopefully this will make me go outside more this summer, and even in the spring, since he's going to start growing here hopefully pretty soon. But yep, I will link Scott Head's video down below, Black Gumbo. And again, the hashtag is Single Seed Challenge 2021. We would love it if you guys would participate. Pick a seed, pick a plant, pick a flower, pick something where you can follow its life progress from the seed and its journey just through its life growth. And you get to baby the plant, talk to it, do whatever you want just to get it to grow well. And we get to follow your, I guess, your experiences with your plant and everything about it. It should be fun. I look forward to your video. If you decide to take on this challenge, let me know down below, or just put in that hashtag of Single Seed Challenge 2021 and I will find it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this following Barry on his life growth. I generally do also on this channel my houseplants, my albos, my Thai constellation, And eventually I'm going to try and get more videos of my garden up. So that's it. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.